Hello, Regular Dancing here. I'm going to teach you how to crack your back with the foam roller. That's it, the foam roller. And it's pretty simple. All you do is place your body, your lower lumbar, on top of the foam roller, and you roll and glide across it. Let it flow, and then you can feel the cracking and the massage at the same time. So let me show you how it's done. Let's do this. So you place it right here. And then the lumbar right there. Then you roll and let it crack. Roll back. Except roll back again. It's pretty hard. It takes time. It takes practice. Do it at your own pace, and please consult your doctor about this device, your chiropractor about this device, and physical therapist. Because I'm just a wedding singer. Peace out.